So as you can see, Indian Army is capable of giving befitting reply to every challenge, says the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. So nowadays, Defense Ministry is in the road to the JNK. Suggestions. Okay, this is a synopsis. So what Defense Minister said that Indian Army is fully capable to reply every challenge and every conditions. This is said by the Defense Minister on Monday. So you can see this. So he further said, "Will not tolerate if someone dare to threaten us." As he carried out a comprehensive review of India's military preparedness and in eastern Ladakh. So Northern Command of Indian Army. So you see what he said is they will not tolerate if someone dare to threaten us. If someone want to threaten like China or Pakistan, that a drone attack is also held in J&K back a few days back. So there is no collateral damage to the Indian Armed Force equipment like fighter jets, but there is 2 injuries to the Air Force personals. So there is a clear instructions or a clear warning to the China and Pakistan that we will not tolerate this if someone is going to threaten us. So when he is interacting with the soldiers in Ladakh, what Rajnath Singh said, Indian Army has the capability of befitting reply to every challenge. Means the mountain, as you know, okay, Indian Army is the best of the best, number one in the mountain warfare and the any other warfare, because we know our Indian Army. So see, suggestions that the resolution of dispute can be found through dialogue. Rajnath also said efforts should be made to find a solution through dialogue which the neighboring countries. Means war is not the solution of every program. So a constant approach, like a constant dialogue, means meeting should be there with the neighboring countries to maintain the peace. The intention should be clear. We neither want to challenge anyone nor will tolerate. Means we'll dialogue on the table. We'll sit on the chair with the neighboring country and we'll solve it. But if they are going to threaten us, this will not be tolerated. So but when needed, our army has the capability to, okay, this is done. So Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Monday asked as to why India and its neighbors cannot resolve the dispute permanently through talks with a clear intention. Singh, who is currently in Ladakh, is a northern command of Indian Arms. So, as part of 3-day visit of Ladakh, said while inaugurating 63 infrastructure projects of border or road organization, and border road organization is a Indian Army unit which is used to make the the roads like bridges infrastructure for Indian Armed Force or civilians for the from the LOC or LAC at the border roads, likely. So we are neighbors. We can. This is said by Rajnath Singh. We are neighbors. We are neighbors. We were neighbors. We are neighbors, and will remain neighbors. Can't we find a permanent solution on a dispute by talks? Only actually a person said that very back, like the friends will change, but neighbors will doesn't change. So that is Rajnath Singh want to indicate that we are neighbors. So we will remain the neighbors. Can we solve this without setting the chair and table with the neighbors? The only thing is that there should be a clear intention. He said that India is a believer of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Have you this word is heard from the Prime Minister also. And if the country picks up the weapon, it is for the world and never has the intention to enroach any land. Okay, what they said is, what he said is that if a country picks a weapon, like like for example a country like Indian Army is picking a weapon, it is for world and never has the intention to enroach anyone's land. Like they are not for land. If anyone threatens us, we'll approach. Like we have the Pakistanis terrorist will attack at Uri, so we'll do surgical strike. They do Pulwama, then we do Balakot airstrike, etc., etc. So while remembering the soldiers who died during the Galwan clash with China, Defense Minister retarded that the country will never forget the sacrifice of Galwan bravehearts. So basically, they will go. Actually, basically, the defense minister is gone to Ladakh for that person, army personnel who like shaheeds of Galwan Valley. This is the basic idea. So I salute the memories of all those soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country of Galwan Valley in June 2020. I also want to say that this country will never forget the sacrifice we said, and we are also this said.